Today I am going to fry these plantains. So I want to share this how I do. So let me first wash and clean them. This is the plantain I cut like this in this shape so that it will have more surface area to be coated and fry. And out of 4 plantain I got this much. Then I want to make a small little butter to put coating on those plantains. For that I have taken um, I have taken 2/3 cup of besan or chickpea flour, and this is 2/3 cup of rice flour, so that the rice flour will make little crispier, and this is for the coating, just to be glued in the pieces of the plantain. And little spices I have taken. This is the salt, and this is 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This is 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. So here it is. I'm going to make the mix. And I will add half cup of water here. It should not be too liquidy. So here also 2/3 cup of water I have added so far. It's up to you how much thickness you want, but I like this much. Sorry for the sound. So now I want to let it rest for 2 minutes, and then I will start frying. Some people are working in my basement, so there may be some sound coming in the middle. Still I am recording. So now see the consistency like this. You can feel it how it is. So kind of I will add like this, few slices at a time. And I'm going to fry this. I'm not going to deep fry them. You can deep fry if you want, but I'm going to fry with little oil. So like this. So let me pour little oil. This is simply vegetable oil. So I try to fit whatever I can. I will let it cook like this at least 2 minutes, and then I will flip it. So now let me flip it one by one. I flipped all of them. Now I will wait another 1.5 minutes. The surface is little bit tilted towards this side, so once a while I will lift it so that the oil will go to the other side also. So this is now done. This is how it looks. See both sides. This is how I want. So now let me serve in a plate so that I can show you a better look. Here it is, how it is looking. That's how we want. This is generally back in Odisha, my mom makes like this with the raw banana, and I do the same with the plantain too, and it is delicious. So let me show you with lunch. So this is how we eat this plantain with rice and dal and tomato soup. This is, I'm from West Odisha, so this tomato soup with salt is used a lot, I mean cooked a lot. And this is moong dal with skin, which is very healthier. And this is how we enjoy. I'm sure you will enjoy the plantain if you try. Thank you for watching.